Want to unleash the power of Photoshop on your Ubuntu 22.04 system, but scratching your head on how to make it happen? Don't worry, because this video breaks down the different ways you can get started. First, it's important to understand that Photoshop isn't natively compatible with Linux, so we'll explore a few common workarounds, starting with Wine, which is a compatibility layer that allows Windows applications to run on Linux, but its success can vary. To get started, ensure you have Wine installed. You can find it in the Ubuntu Software Center, or install it via the command line using these commands. Remember to configure Wine after installation. Create a Wine prefix. This will create a virtual Windows environment for Photoshop. Inside the Wine environment, you will download and install the Windows version of Photoshop. Keep in mind, Photoshop performance under Wine can be unpredictable. It may experience bugs or instability. So let's look at another approach. Next up, virtual machines. Using software like VirtualBox or VMware, you can run a full copy of Windows within your Ubuntu environment. Download your preferred virtualization software, install it on Ubuntu, and install the Windows operating system as a virtual machine. This provides a stable and reliable environment for Photoshop. Remember, you will need a Windows license to use this method. Now, what if you want a native Linux solution? Consider using alternative image editing software like GIMP or Krita. These are powerful, open-source options that offer many of Photoshop's core features, and they run seamlessly on Ubuntu. Explore these alternatives directly from the Ubuntu Software Center and start editing images without the hassle of compatibility layers or virtual machines, and that's it. 3 different approaches to using Photoshop like applications on Ubuntu 22.04. Now you can choose the one that best suits your needs and technical skills. Good luck!